Why hello, and welcome to Introduction to Controls. My name is Professor Catherine Kim, but you can just call me Professor Kim. And this is Valerie, our alien teaching assistant, and this is Introduction to Controls. This is an online course where I provided all the videos that I made previously, and Valerie and I will teach you the concepts of controls. I really love controls because it is the essence of engineering to me. We're understanding systems and then applying how do we actually implement systems to control them in a way that we want. So I hope you'll enjoy this course, and it's broken down into the lessons, then with a problem set, which you should try on your own first, and then there's also the solutions to those problems. So I hope you enjoy working through controls and learning how to control the systems in engineering.